hurricane season is here, and shore residents are bracing themselves after Superstorm Sandy hammered the coast.
Oh no, here we go again. Hopefully Mother Nature will be good to us this year.
NOAA's Climate Prediction Center is forecasting an active or extremely active season with a 70% likelihood of 13 to 20 named storms. 7 to 11 of those storms could become hurricanes, including 3 to 6 major hurricanes. And here's the list of this season's named storms. State climatologists are keeping a lookout for which storms could pose a threat to the coastline. David Robinson says there's a number of reasons for this year's active season.
The sea surface temperatures in the Atlantic basin where these storms form in the tropics, subtropics, are a little above normal. And it's the sea surface that provides the energy to those storms. We're in an active pattern. We've really been in it since the mid-90s, and it shows no signs of cessation. And that's an active pattern of waves of energy coming off the African coast, meeting up with those warm sea surface temperatures and really firing up the storms.
Hurricane season lasts from June 1st through November 30th, and it peaks around Labor Day. Some New Jerseyans just aren't that worried.
We very rarely get beat like the way we did, that we do every so often, but not as much as other areas in the United States, so we're pretty grateful for being up north.
I'm not nervous at all. I think we got hit. I think it was very rare for us.
But what are the chances New Jersey will be hit with another storm like Sandy?
We've had two major hits of very different sorts in the last 2 years. There's nothing to say that we couldn't have another this year, but also there's nothing to say it might be years before we have another major storm affecting the state. More vulnerable than ever as a result of Sandy, as a result of sea levels rising somewhat over the last century. So never let down your guard.
That's not what Bradley Beach Operating Supervisor Richard Bianchi wants to hear after months of rebuilding.
We don't even want to go there.
Here in Bradley Beach, the Public Works Department has been on the job around the clock, preparing for the next storm. Sandy wiped out their dune system, and they're rebuilding them here.
And we're going to be placing rocks starting today and all next week in front of the Christmas tree dune project that we started to protect them.
As Jersey Shore communities continue to rebuild and brace for another hurricane season, state officials are encouraging residents to make their own storm preparations by making an emergency plan and kit and staying informed. In Bradley Beach, I'm Lauren Wonko for NJ Today.